Hello friends, and welcome to our online music class. Go ahead and take out this color by note worksheet and we are going to begin to work on it together.
Alright, so you should all have this color by note worksheet out. Let's look at it together. So basically we are taking up the note values and adding them together. Whatever they end up being, we're looking at this key at the bottom of the page, and this is going to tell us what color to color in our sections based off of how our notes add up. Alright, so let's take a look up. Let's start right here, this big smile section. So we have 3 quarter notes. So each one is worth 1 beat plus 1 beat plus 1 beat, which equals 3. So if we scroll down to the bottom, 3 means white, and it means do not color, you can leave it alone. Let's do another one together. So this section you leave white. Ooh, let's do this half note over here. We know that a half note is worth 2 beats, and that is the only note there. So that section's worth 2 beats. Let's take a look and see what 2 beats means. 2 beats means green. So on this half note up here, you are going to take your green, color it in. And any other sections as well that are worth 2 beats. For example, over here we have a half rest, and a half rest is worth 2 beats as well. So we would also color that in green, as well as anytime we see those half rests. Alright, let's look at a few more sections together. Over here we have a quarter note. Okay, we have a quarter rest, and a quarter rest is worth 1 beat. It's like a quarter note, except it's 1 beat of silence instead of 1 beat of noise. So when something is worth 1 beat, we color it in red. So let's take our red and color that in. Now underneath it we see 2 quarter notes, and in this case it's 2 plus 2, or 1 plus 1 equals 2. So then we would color that one in green down here. Let's go over the different types of notes that we see. So we went over our half rest, quarter rests, quarter note, half note. The other thing that you will see are eighth notes. Remember that eighth notes are worth half, but since they're combined at the top, it's kind of like a mini math problem here. So if we have, scroll down some space that we can work this out. So if we have eighth notes like this, and they're combined, that means they're 2 notes together. Each one is worth half, but since they are combined, in total it equals 1 beat. It's the same amount of time as a quarter note. However, we don't see this on the page today, but eighth notes could also look like this. And if they're by themselves, that means that it's only worth half of a beat.
Alright, now that you understand how to do the assignment, please use the rest of this time to complete it. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know, and I will see you next time.